Are you looking for a reliable automatic transmission fluid that fits your Mercedes Benz without breaking the bank? The right fluid not only protects your transmission but also extends its lifespan, ensuring your vehicle shifts smoothly mile after mile. Choosing the right product can make all the difference in performance and maintenance costs. I've learned firsthand that you don't have to spend a fortune on transmission fluid to keep your Mercedes running well. For my E3504 Mottage with a 5-speed transmission, I found a quality fluid priced around $7 per quart. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it strikes a good balance between cost and quality. The key, I discovered, is changing the fluid regularly rather than splurging on premium brands once in a while. With just 4.5 quarts, including a full pan removal and a new filter, my transmission felt as smooth as ever. No shifting hiccups or issues at all. What really matters is consistent maintenance with a product designed specifically for Mercedes-Benz 7-speed transmissions. Using the right fluid helps avoid costly repairs down the road and keeps your driving experience seamless. If you're ready to protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind on the road, consider this transmission fluid for your next service. Worth a look if you want reliable performance without overspending. Try it when you're ready.